Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Travel Discoveries. Today's topic is we'll discuss about the B1 B2 tourist visa. But before that, I wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers and also for the new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing and commenting on my channel. I really appreciate it. And also shout out to our new subscribers, B. Piki. Welcome to my channel. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. So let us further ado, let's start. Renew my visa, B1, B2. Overview. Repeat travelers to the United States may under some circumstances renew their visas without appearing at the U.S. Embassy for an interview. If you met the interview waiver's qualifications, you will be able to drop off your visa application at a LBC courier office locations. So guys, if you are qualified for the interview visa waiver application, all you need to do is to drop off your applications on any branches of LBC. Qualifications. If you can answer yes to all the following questions, you may qualify for our interview waiver and will not need to schedule an appointment for an interview at the U.S. Embassy. Please note, if you answer yes to the below questions but are found to be ineligible for interview waiver service, your application will be returned to you via courier and you will be required to schedule a visa interview. According to US Embassy guys, if you are qualified to this interview waiver applications, LBC branches, but they found that you are not ineligible, they will return your application to you via courier and you need to set an interview appointment. Please read all eligibility criteria carefully. If applying as a family, all family members must meet eligibility criteria. This is the eligibility criteria for interview waiver applications. I have a previous B1, B2 visa that I wish to renew. My prior visa is still valid or has expired within last 48 months. I have in my possession my passport with my previous visa from the same visa category for which I now wish to apply. My name, date of birth, and gender on my last visa are the same. If there is name change due to marriage or annulment, I can provide documentary proof. My most recent visa was issued on or after my 14th birthday. The last time I applied for a visa was approved. I have not requested an extension or change of status through USCIS. So guys, this is the 8 eligibility requirements on interview waiver applications. And according to the U.S. Embassy or Consulate, if you answer yes to all these questions, you are qualified and all you need to do is to drop off your application to any LBC branches. Submit an original copy of marriage certificate or declaration of nullity of marriage issued by Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA, whichever is applicable. For applicants who answer no to any of these questions, please follow this link to schedule an interview to https://www.ustraveldocs.com/ph/nib-visa-apply.asp. If you answered yes to all the questions, please follow the 5 easy steps below. Guys, if you think that this video is helpful and informative to you, please consider to subscribe and click that bell icon so that if I have a new upload videos, you will be notified as soon as. And also please don't forget to share to your friends, like, and a thumbs up. So let's proceed to our topic. The 5 easy steps below are: Step 1, pay the visa application fee, or you can visit http://www.ustraveldocs.com/ph/nib ph-nib-payinfo.asp. Step 2, complete the non-immigrant visa electronic application or DS-160 form. After completing the form, print and save your confirmation page. Step 3, register an account on https://cgipfederal.secure.force.com/site register country = Philippines @ language = EN_US. Guys, do you have any travel plans or wanted to apply for an immigration visa but you are busy to your work or you didn't know what to do? Don't you worry guys, I got you. I highly recommended to you the Filipino Visa. They are specializing on immigration consultation services such as K1 visa, spousal visa, family visa, and more. So what are you waiting for? Just click the link down below in my description box and you will be redirected to the website of Filipino Visa for more details. Please answer the qualification questions carefully. If you qualify for interview waiver submission, you will receive an interview waiver confirmation letter containing a document checklist. So guys, if you are qualified for the interview waiver applications, the U.S. Embassy or Consulate will send you an email of eligibility of interview waiver confirmation letter, and they will give you an instructions of the listed required documents. Print 2 copies of the interview waiver confirmation letter, one for your records and the other to be submitted with your application. Drop off your passport along with listed documents mentioned on the confirmation letter at any LBC courier outlets. Please remember to include interview waiver confirmation letter, current and old passport with previous B1 and B2 visa, 2 photos in color, in white background, unretouched, size 2 by 2 inch, on glossy paper, taken within the last 6 months, in neutral facial expression, and with both eyebrows and ear exposed. Photo guidelines can be accessed at http://www.ustraveldux.com/ph/nib-photoinfo.asp. For singles out there that you wanted to meet a new friends across the globe, don't you worry guys. I recommended to you the Christian Filipina. They are helping those Christian singles and non-Christian singles to meet a new friends across the globe. So what are you waiting for? Just click the link down below in my description box and you will be redirected to the website of Christian Filipina for more details. Please do not submit the same photograph that appeared on your previous visa. Failure to submit a valid photograph will delay the processing of your visa application. Please be sure that all of the above items are included in your interview waiver applications. Failure to include all requested items, including a new photo on this 160 application, will result in return of your application via courier. So guys, according for the U.S. Embassy or Consulate, if you are qualified for the visa waiver interview application, you need to drop off all your required documents via LBC courier. Step 4. Please deliver your documents for interview waiver service at any of the 100 LBC branches. For LBC branches, please visit https://www.lbcexpress.com/lbcbranches0dz. Step 5. If your application is approved, your passport and visa will be delivered to the address you provided. Please note, using the interview waiver service does not guarantee visa issuance. In some cases, you may be required to appear for a visa interview at the U.S. Embassy. If you submit an incomplete and or inaccurate application or if you do not meet the criteria listed below, we will return your application via the courier and you will be asked to schedule an interview. You should submit your application well in advance of your planned travel to allow for the possibility that a visa interview will be necessary. We are processing renewals of B1 and B2 visas for applicants eligible to have their interview waived. Offering biometrics only. Appointments for applicants who received their last visa prior to age 14. And interviewing a limited number of B1, B2 applicants each day. While we continue to expand our visa processing, please note that we have a significant backlog of cases so wait times are much longer than pre-pandemic. So guys, according to the US Embassy or Consulate, they are processing the B1, B2 tourist visa but in a limited services only due of the high volume of backlogs. And also they are processing the renewal of B1, B2 for those interview waiver applications. So if you think that you are qualified for the interview waiver, you need to visit their website and read carefully all the eligibility criteria, interview waiver applications, and together with the required documents, and drop off to any LBC courier locations. For those applicants there that's still waiting for your visa interview, for the B1 and B2, don't you worry guys, your time will come also, okay? So be positive and always check your emails. Who knows, you are the next one now for the interview appointment. So I guess that's it for today, and for those who have any questions, just comment down below in my description box and I will answer as soon as. And also for those who never yet subscribed, please consider to subscribe, select all and click that bell icon so that if I have a new upload videos, you will be notified as soon as. And also don't forget to share to your friends, like and give a thumbs up. So that's it for today. Stay safe and God bless you all. See you in my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye!